How to run staff attendance reports. Welcome to our training session on managing staff attendance reports. First, make sure you're in the Reports module under the Attendance Report section. Head over to the Staff Sign in Detail tab where you can choose a specific date or a date range, like a week or a month. After selecting your date range, click the Apply button. A list will display each staff member's name, the date and time of their action, such as signing in or out, the location of the action, authorization details, any notes, their task, and the total hours worked. If you need to see more details, just click on a record. You can review or edit the details here. You also have the option to filter by location or staff member. Remember to click Apply after adjusting any filters. You'll then see records specific to the selected space or the staff member. You can download this information at any time by clicking the CSV icon at the bottom left, which lets you save it in an Excel-friendly format. Now, let's move to the Daily Staff Hour Summary Report. This report allows filtering by date or date range. Choose your dates and hit Apply. You'll receive a summary of daily hours worked by each staff member. Continue scrolling to view information like typical shift start and end times, break times, and total hours categorized by tasks such as administration, preparation, or childcare. You can click on any record for more details or download the report as a CSV. By clicking the Settings icon, you can select or deselect columns and adjust the order of information, like placing first names before last names. Any changes made will update immediately. You also have the option to group records by staff member. That's it. If you have questions about staff attendance records, feel free to contact a team member. We're here to assist.